check for palindrome in Java. So let's say we have a word kayak, and when we reverse it back, we will have the same word, which is kayak, and those words name it as a palindrome. If this word doesn't match with the reversed word, that means it's not a palindrome. So we will write a code that will check if the word is palindrome or not palindrome. Start writing it as a method, public static boolean. It will return true if it's palindrome, false if it is not palindrome. We will say if palindrome, and we'll pass the parameter as a string, and this string will be our input. So here, how we're gonna check it, we will take the string and we will store to another string by taking the word from the back. Let's say we have a word kayak. We will be taking every letter from the back, K. We will be storing to another string, A, Y, A, K. So we will be going backward and taking each letter and storing to another string. We will create a string that we will name it as a reversed, equals to empty string for now, since we don't have any letters in it. We will take each letter from the backward and we will be storing to the reversed string. So we will loop through. So we will say our index will be the last index of the string, which is our str string. And we will say equals to str.length. Length will give us the number of characters, but the index will be always less for 1 because index starts from the 0 and goes until the end of the string. And we will say until this I is more than and equals to 0, keep looping it and decrement the I by 1. So now we will be taking every letter from the back and we'll be storing that to our reversed string. And we will say str.charat at index I. This way we will be able to get every letter from the back of that string and concatenate that to our reversed string. At the end, we will have a reversed string value. Now we gotta check if they are same with the original string. If they are same, we will return true. Otherwise, we will return false. So we will say return str.equals ignore case for the reversed. If they are equal, it will return true. If it is not equal, it will return false. And we will test this in our main method. And we'll call this method saying if palindrome. Let's pass the word as a kayak. Yep, that's true. Kayak is a palindrome. If you read it from the backward, it has the same word. So let's try with the different word, Java. Java is not palindrome because the reading from the backward, it has a different word. False. That's correct. That's it about our solution.